Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn quadratic equation chapter 4 exercise 4.2 question number 2. Now let's read the question. Solve the problem given in example 1, that is to solve x square minus 4x plus 324 is equal to 0 and x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this by factorization method. Okay, so the first part is x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Okay, so it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is 1 and b is minus 45 and here c is 324. Okay, so here a into c, so that is 324 into 1, that is again 324. Okay, so here we are taking the LCM of 324. So 324 is divisible by 2, so 162, and again 162 is divisible by 2, that is 81, and 81 is divisible by 3, that is 27, and 27 is divisible by 3, that is 9, and again 3 and 3 1. So here 324. So here first I am taking this value or this value into this value. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s is 12, 12 3s is 36. Okay, so 36 plus 3 3s is 9. So you can see 36 plus 9 is 45 and 36 into 9 is 324. Okay, so now here we can write 45 as x square minus 36 plus 9 into x plus 324 is equal to 0. So that becomes x square minus 36 plus minus is minus, so minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. Okay, so that becomes x square, here x. Okay, now we are taking the common, so here common is x, so x minus 36, and here minus 9 we are taking common, that is x plus, here plus minus is minus, so here minus 36 is equal to 0. So here x minus 36 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. So when x minus 36 is equal to 0, so that becomes x is equal to 36, minus 36 on the other side becomes plus 36. Okay, now next, when x minus 9 is equal to 0, so minus 9 on the other side becomes plus 9. So here we can conclude that hence roots of given equation are x is equal to 36 and x is equal to 9. So here we got the two roots, that is 30. So here we have the second part, that is x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. Okay, so here I'll write it here. So here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 55 and c is equal to 750. Okay, so a into c, so 750 into 1, which is 750. Okay, now here we are taking the LCM of 750. So the LCM of 750 is divisible by 2, 375, and 375 is divisible by 3, and here 125, and 125 is divisible by 5, that is 25, and 25 is divisible by 5, so here 5 and 1. Okay, so I am taking this 3 and here, so 3 2s is 6, 6 5s is 30, and 5 5s is 25. Here you can see 30 plus 25 is 55 and 30 into 25 is 750. Okay, so here 55 can be written as 30 plus 25. Okay, so now I'll write x square minus 30 plus 25 into x plus 750 is equal to 0. Okay, so that becomes x square minus 30x. So your plus minus is minus, so minus 25x plus 750 is equal to 0. Okay, so here the common is x and x minus 30, and here minus 25 is common. So x plus minus is minus, and here also 30 is equal to 0. So x minus 25 and x minus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, so now when x minus 25 is equal to 0, x minus 25 on the other side becomes plus 25, so plus 25. And next is when x minus 30 is equal to 0, minus 30 on the other side becomes plus 30. Okay, so 30. So here we got the two roots, that is 25 and 30. So here we can conclude that hence roots of given equation are x is equal to 30 and x is equal to 25. Okay, so this was the end, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.